What's going on, guys? Welcome back to John's Kitchen. My name is Kamal. On this channel we focus on making beautiful food from around the world and showing you guys the easiest way to make it at home. If that sounds interesting, then you may want to consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most amazing sticky Southeast Asian chicken wings at home. Grab yourself a clean large container, then add inside all of your chicken wings. Next you want to add your honey, soy, fish sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and your grated young ginger. Once you've added all your ingredients into the container, place the lid on top and then give it a good shake for about 30 seconds. These chicken wings are super tasty and involve minimal prep, so that means you don't have to spend lots of time at home getting these ready. These chicken wings can be cooked within half an hour, but I'd recommend letting them sit overnight in the fridge to make sure you get the best flavor out of them. Once you've removed your wings from the fridge, give it a quick little mix around, then place your wings onto a tray ready for roasting in the oven. Look how beautiful the color is of these wings. I'm telling you guys, this is the perfect dish for you to have at home and share with some family and friends. So once you remove these chicken wings from the oven, have fun with your toppings. You can have it plain, but I'd recommend just topping out with some crispy shallots, some sesame seeds, and some fresh cilantro. So thank you all for watching and sticking with us until the end. If you found this video useful or even handy in any kind of way, remember to hit that subscribe button and also smash the alarm so you get a reminder every single time we drop a new video. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. I hope to see you back here very soon for the next video. Peace.